Welcome to the Design Thinking Simulation. Here, we step into the role of an innovation strategist, working to identify user needs and translate them into thoughtful, user-centered product concepts. This simulation is designed to help us understand how real-world design processes evolve by guiding us through the core stages of design thinking. Upon entering the simulation, we will find various tabs, including Game Arena, Readings, Forum, and Leaderboard. Our initial move should be to head to the Readings tab, where we are provided with the necessary reading material and video tutorial. Following that, we engage with the Forum, where we can interact with the professor either individually or with the entire course. Lastly, there is the Leaderboard tab, where we can track our position at the end of each round and compare our performance with fellow participants. It's recommended to regularly check the leaderboard and forum after each round to stay updated on the simulation developments. We can move back to the game arena to start making decisions in the simulation. We should begin by reading the information available in the Introduction tab, Observe tab, and Empathise tab. These sections help us map the context, understand user expectations, and begin forming a complete picture of the scenario. The Food for Thought segment will also guide our decision-making by providing reflective questions. Answering these questions is mandatory and essential for our progress. Our next step is the Define phase, where we synthesize the insights gathered earlier. Here, we refine the challenge into a clear problem statement and begin focusing on what needs to be addressed. This understanding becomes the foundation for the Ideate phase. As design thinkers, our responsibility is to explore multiple ideas and select the ones that best reflect user needs. This stage encourages creativity while ensuring that our direction stays anchored in empathy. After ideas are formed, we move to the prototype phase. This section allows us to translate our chosen ideas into an early concept by shaping its features, design direction, and user experience approach. We balance functionality with desirability and feasibility as we create a tangible representation of our solution. Once the prototype is outlined, we advance to the execute phase, where we make decisions on how the concept will reach the intended users. This includes choices related to positioning, communication, and how the solution will be presented in the market. After making all our decisions, we should visit the decision checklist to review our choices. If we want to revise any decision, we can simply go back to the respective decision-making area. Once we are satisfied with our decisions, we submit them by clicking Submit. We then select Save and Proceed. The simulation will generate a report that outlines our outcomes and evaluates our approach across different aspects of decision-making. Finally, the Synopsis section provides a concise overview of our decisions and results. Good luck!